Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. And ngayon, namili tayo ng konting gagamitin natin for our travel. And today's episode, ang gagawin natin, bubuksan natin itong mga to and then it's gonna be an expectation versus reality. Titingnan natin kung talaga bang accurate yung mga pictures, kung nagmamatch ba yung description na nilagay nila dun sa kanilang page versus sa totoong laman ng bawat isa. Anyway, this is a combination of both Lazada and Shopee plus galing sa Facebook Marketplace. Before I go ahead and continue with comparison, shout out to my pamangkin, Jalen Agnier Valenzuela, for giving me the super nice watch. Yan guys, iniikot siya. Super nice. Also, I'd like to shout out Joanna Reza Uiroa, who have actually provided us our Christmas cake. Let's start off with this one. It's a 3-in-1 portable and outdoor 20 liters waterproof dry bag. It's a set. So, ito yung laman niya guys, tatlo. So, the first one, this is a dry bag. Ang laki. It's 20 liters. So, there. So, ang laki niya. Ayan, asa lang. I bought this for only 291 pesos, guys. Sulit na to. Napakalaki niya. Ito yung texture. So, makapal naman siya, guys. Anyway, these are the strap na kasama. So, ayan. So, may kasama siyang strap kasi nga, it's a backpack. So, ito mo siya kakabit. And then, para siyang kabitan sa baba. Ayan. Isasara mo muna siya. Iikot mo lang siya. I-roll mo siya para maging waterproof. Pag didikitin natin siya, then strap nyo lang siya. Ayan. So, you now have a backpack. Ating tsura kasi walang laman, pero ayan. So, ganyan siya guys. Cute lang siya. Later na natin siya i-rate. So, the second one that comes with the package is this one. Ayan. So, this is a waterproof case naman for your phone. So, meron siyang lock, like the usual lock. Yan, open. And then, papasok nyo lang siya. So, may switch lang siya to lock it. And your phone is sealed na kagad. So, yan. Magagamit pa naman natin yung phone. This is the second one na kasama. So, may kasama siyang strap. So, we now have the backpack and the cellphone waterproof case. The third one is belt bag here. Yeah. So, it has the same texture as yung bag. So, if you notice, pareho sila. So, these are all waterproof, guys. So, this one naman, may strap siya. Naka-fold siya sa loob. Pag inopen mo siya, meron na naman siyang strap like mga ziplock. Ayan. Meron siyang free ziplock. Sure kayo guys na yung phone ninyo or whatever things that you're gonna be putting here are safe. So, ilalak nyo lang siya, ipo-fold nyo siya, and then strap here. So, it has a waist belt. Kasi nga belt bag siya. Ayan. Complete na si Dora. Ready to go. So, we're gonna be rating this one compared to their photo. Anyway, so I think the 291 pesos talagang sulit ka na guys. So, thumbs up on this particular product. I'll put down the link below kung saan siya nabili or what store. So, for this product, I give this 10. So, perfect siya sa akin guys. So, ayan. Mukha naman siyang matibay guys. So, talagang this is how it looks like. Taran! So, let's move on to the next. So, the next item is a backpack. Ang laki niya guys. Sobrang laki. So, this is an Adidas bag. Keme-keme syempre, galing Lazada. Pero, let's check if it's worthy ba yung price na binayad natin dito. This one is amounting to 540. It's just a knapsack. And, ito yung laman niya. So, may mga tag-tag pa kunyari talaga totoo. This is how it looks like. And this is the expectation. Maganda rin siya guys. So, it has a zipper on top. It's a hiking bag. So, medyo maliit din siya tingnan. So, open natin siya. So, marami siyang strap. This one. And then, this is the top. So, meron siyang hidden. So, you have to open. Naka-hide yung kanyang zipper. So, ito yung kanyang zipper. So, open niyo siya. This is how huge the bag is, and this is the inside of the bag. It has a compartment for the laptop. The strap, medyo makapal naman siya. So it has a strap as well. Parang this is a waist strap. Let's try it on. So it has a marking of Adidas sa back. So meron siyang zipper sa harap. Ayan. And then, yung ilalim niya. It has like 2 side strap and 2 side pocket as well. Ayan. So, sabi nga ni Idol, Mimiya, you can put your water here and you should drink your water. Sara natin siya. So, ang laki niya guys. So, this is actually a 60 liters bag. So, ang dami niyo malalagay guys. So, ayan guys. This is how it looks like. Yes, I think okay na ako sa ganito. And then, it has this strap in front. So, ayan. You are sure na talagang nakakapit siya sa'yo sa katawan mo. Sige pa natin. Yan. So, ganyan siya guys. So, Dora the Explorer. So, this is my main bag. Halos wala silang pinagkaiba neto ng this one. Diba? Ito kasi tinold ko lang kaya nagmukha maliit. Pero technically, this is 60 liters din. Kung magkasindaki sila guys, it's up to you kung anong prefer nyo. Actually, this one, dito palang sulit na kayo guys. It's only 291. Tatlo na kagad yung nakuha nyo. But this one naman kasi, marami kayo malalagay. This is your main bag. Ito yung gagamitin natin. I don't know kung 7 kilos lang talaga yung madadala ko. Pero if ever na mag-excess baggage tayo, di no choice, kailangan nating magbayad. So, for this product, again, this is how it looks like. And this is the expectation. So, for me guys, I don't know, comment below if you think that it has surpassed your expectation as well. Pero for me, expectation, it's gonna be 10 as well. So, this is the next item. It's a vlog kit. This is how it looks like. So, let's see inside kung pareho ba siya. But anyway, as advertised, ito naman ang itsura niya. It has a manual. Check natin siya. Ito yung mga laman niya guys. So, meron siyang tripod stick. So, maganda naman siya guys. Makapal siya. Narinig nyo guys. Hindi siya yung simpleng mabigat siya guys. Mabigat. Saka maganda as in there. So, this one, maganda siya. The next item is the clip. Yan. Dito siya. Dito nakalagay yung cellphone. Kakabit mo lang siya. And then this one, para naman sa microphone. This one. This is the third one. Yan. So, ito yung kabitan. And it has two cords. This one is for the mic. And this one is for the charging. Because you have to charge the LED light. So, all in all, on this particular package, I bought this one for 1,594. And I think it worked really well din naman. For this vlogging set, I give this like 8. Kasi I'm not really fully satisfied on the setup. Pataas. And meron siyang another setup that you can do. Ito naman nasa gilid. Pero I find it really overwhelming pa rin na ang taas. You can put here naman siguro or maybe somewhere. But siguro hindi ko lang alam. Maybe for now, I'll be giving like 8 for this one. But it doesn't mean na hindi siya maganda ha. Maganda siya. And for me, the 1,500 sulit na siya. Especially with the tripod na kasama niya. Sobrang sturdy. This one talaga, if this is just gonna be the item, perfect din talaga to. Maganda. So this is actually the third item. This is a waterproof accessories bag naman. Buksan natin. So, ayan guys. So, it's a bag for your chargers, for USB accessories, or whatsoever. This is the bag. And this is the expectation. It also has the how to use. So, may instruction siya. It's a monochrome. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman siya. So, it's a waterproof. So, yung lapad niya, ayan guys. This is a travel digital bag. So, dito kinalagay yung mga cords, USB. Check na natin inside. So, when you open this one, meron siyang kasamang strap. So, tatlo yung strap niya guys. Tumidikit siya sa gilid automatic. So, if you would like to put a compartment, you can put a divider to put your things there. Pwede nyo siyang ilipat-lipat. Kung gusto nyo naman siyang tanggalin as a whole, ayan, ganyan lang. So, may mga little compartment siya. So, this is really helpful to those who would like to organize. With the price of 194, I think it's a good buy for a waterproof bag. I think expectation versus reality, it's a 10 for me. So, the next item is the copper mask. Ito yung nakikita kong suot ng mga artista. So, medyo ingitera ako. Anyway, the price of this one for only 390. Sabi ng kapatid ko, mahal daw. Pero, I was able to get this one real time. So, same day. Ayun na maganda. Versus Shopee at saka Lazada, have to wait at least like 10 days, I think. 10, sometimes 20 days pa nga. It's up to you guys. But for me, I think this is a perfect 10. Kasi ang dami artista gumagamit. So, magpiling artista rin tayo. Okay, the next item, pinaka-importante for me, this is a 40,000 power bank. Bought this one in Lazada. So, this is the expectation. And this is the reality guys. So this one there. So it has a USB cord for charging. Charan! So ang bigat niya guys. Nakalagay dito 40,000 power bank. This is the back and this is the side there. So this is the power on and these are the charging port. It's an S40 Pro power bank. It's a live polymer 40,000 mAh and the weight is 862 grams. So hindi ko alam ba rin ako mag-compute pero ang bigat niya guys. Ang bigat. It's a type C. And then it also has a lightning 5 volts 2A. There, sa taas, there's the lightning for the iPhone user or the iOS user. This one is for the micro USB. So, tanggal natin, 90% out. I'll rate this one. For now, siguro I'll give this 10 pa rin for me kasi ang laking tulong niya if it's really 40,000. I bought this one on the official store of the Aura Share. So, I suppose na quality naman siya. I just hope. So, expectation versus reality. Last item here. Ang ganda guys, ang ganda ng packaging niya. So, this is the Braid 7LE. So, yung packaging pa lang guys, makikita nyo na kagad na mamahalin siya. Though, the price is only like 6,000 plus compared to other action cam na mabibili natin. And look at it guys. 99% the same style and look as the DJI Osmo action cam. So, GoPro, medyo ang same niya is the GoPro 9. Yung itsura lang, but not really the totality and the performance of this one. There, it's super sealed. This is how it looks like. There, guys. So, this is actually the main camera. What's good about this one, guys, is that Braid 7LE is an IPX7 waterproof, guys. So, this alone, ito lang mismo, without the waterproof case, without this one, waterproof na siya. And that's what separates this particular action cam to both Osmo DJI and the GoPro. But this one, even without the waterproof case, guys, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. So, especially for the bikers, yung mga nagmomotor na biglang umulan. So, they don't have to worry na baka maya masira yung gadget ko. Also, affordability wise guys, so this is a perfect buy na kasi it's only 6,000. It's actually half of the DJI Osmo amount and it's just like 1/4 of the total price that you're gonna be paying if you're gonna be getting the new GoPro Hero 9. I'll insert the link kung magkano yung DJI Osmo plus the GoPro Hero 9 na kasabayan nitong akas. This is the final item. Expectation, reality. For me, it's a 10. So, I don't know if this is really helpful. I think that I'll be doing some reviews as well on the other items that I have that needs to be reviewed, of course. If I don't think that it's gonna be relevant for the viewers, well, I'm not gonna be doing it. But for the sake of the viewers, for them to know what product to buy, I hope that I was able to somehow differentiate the things that we are seeing online based on the pictures and the description and based on the actual thing that we are really buying. And also, I would really appreciate you guys if you would be putting in like comments below on any product kung gusto nyo i-review ko. Just make sure lang guys na medyo afford ko yung gusto nyo ipa-review sa akin kasi medyo low budget pa tayo ngayon guys. Kailangan, but if there will be like sponsors, anyway, the item that really stood out amongst the others are actually these items. So, this is just like one package and there are actually 3 and for me, this is the perfect item for you to buy. And of course, lastly, the Braid 7LE. This is also one of the items who stood out amongst the rest. May ganon. Anyway, so napakaganda kasi, sobrang sulit. I'm so happy with this item. I'll also put in the link descriptions of all the items for you to be able to order as well and take advantage of the items worthy of your money. So I hope you like my video for today guys. If you haven't really subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe and please put comment and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well for you to be updated on all of my video vlogs, mapa-travel man yan, mapa-tutorial, or for some reviews and kung ano-ano mang kaeklatan, pinagsama-sama na natin all in one. Other vloggers would say that you only need to stick in one niche, but for me guys, I believe that we are all capable of doing everything. You just need to learn those things. Love you guys. Bye!